Hello, I'm Local 10 meteorologist John Gerard. Here's your weekend forecast, and let's take a look at the atmosphere and see what's going to be impacting our weather today and tomorrow. As far as today goes, we've got a lot of Saharan dust that's going to be sitting on top of us. You'll notice the hazy skies out there today. That's going to add a little bit of drier air to the mid-levels of the atmosphere, which is really important because that'll knock down the coverage of any afternoon storms. So hazy out there. It'll be hot even with the hazy sunshine, and storms mostly inland. However, just like the past couple of days, they could turn around and head toward the east coast later in the day if they hold together. So something to keep an eye on. They're going to have late in the day. Most of us will not see rain today, but those that do will see it mainly after 4 o'clock. And then tomorrow, isolated late day storms once again as some of those milky skies continue over. So it looks like most of the storms this weekend going to be out west, but some of those could turn back, make a right-hand turn. I guess it would be a right-hand turn and head right toward the East Coast beaches later in the day. So something to keep an eye on if you have any outdoor plans late today. 90 if you're under a shady palm tree today. Jump in the water at the beach. It's a relatively cooler 85. Still warm there. Just a little bit of a rip current risk out there today, and the UV index is going to be extreme. So your weekend forecast, we're going to keep the rain chance at about 30%. Not especially high. It should be higher this time of the year, but somebody will see something mainly after 4 o'clock today and tomorrow. And the big story is that Saharan dust keeping things relatively quiet out there for this time of the year. Rain chances between 30, 40, and 50% over the next 7 days, with daytime highs near 90 degrees. Do want to get a quick check of the tropics for you. So far, we are still watching this disturbance in the southwestern Caribbean Sea, the Bay of Campeche, and that is featuring a 40% chance of possible development heading toward perhaps eastern shores of Mexico in the next couple of days. Everything else across the Atlantic basin is quiet through the next 7 days. That's your forecast. Have a great weekend.